Yeah, this is amazing so far, right?
It's our first video.
And
The other
I
video
do it
failed.
failed because I don't know why. But maybe this time it's not gonna be failed.
Wait.
We're gonna tour on our room.
Yep.
Or our
Hey,
room.
I'll place the dirt into plank. Okay?
This is our calendar. That is the chopping some wood day, killing animals day.
Our mom.
That's the day.
Yeah.
That is mining. Hunger Games we're gonna do.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Hunger Games.
Still chopping some wood, mining, killing some moss, and crafting or building, right?
Yeah, crafting
And
or building.
Hunger Games at the end.
Yeah.
This is our mine. That is not good. This is our home.
Yeah. The guest home is not finished.
Our chest is so rubbish things. Look at it. We have rubbish roof, right?
When we mined, we saw lapis.
That is amazing, right? I'm still a Jacksepticeye skin because I'm a fan of him. This is our storage room, right?
Yeah.
We have backup tools, which is gone because of meat foods. It's gone.
Yeah,
Cake ingredients. We have an egg, but we have no buckets. Guess home. We have got that out. Wood. We have so many wood here. Look.
Hey, Jocko. How about we make a seed and the other players will join? We'll make a seed, okay?
Yeah.
So others will join the game in the world. Yeah.
Oh, you're placing planks? Okay.
Yeah. I'm replacing it for the guest. We don't wanna get a.
My sugar canes. My sugar da
Yay!
canes.
Look, I got 8 planks.
My
Oh yeah, I have
sugar
more.
da canes.
I got many wheat. 17 wheat. Alex.
Yeah.
Oh God, where is it? Is this a cake ingredient? Oh yeah, this is. We have
Yeah.
eggs.
Yeah. I got my sugar canes here. I want to craft some sugar.
Oh God, we have many wheat.
Yeah.
Past 64 we got.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Got 7 sugars. I'm gonna go to the cake ingredients and just like get ready for the cake ingredients, right?
And we have many rubbish things.
Yeah.
And why did I craft redstone torch right away?
I
I
don't know.
made it as a mistake. I thought that was a torch.
That's our tree farm.
Oh yeah, when will we use the boats?
Furnace station over here. I don't know where's the plants over there. And I'm gonna pull that out soon. That's our clay. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I need more clay, right?
Yeah, is the difficulty on?
Let
Because
me see.
we didn't have.
No,
We did lose.
I off that. I'm gonna on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Just
Just
medium. Oh, we're gonna end the video here, right? I'm sorry that is a short video
Yeah.
because
I'm gonna let the game.
you're gonna have lunch, right? And you're gonna came back, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
And
back.
we're gonna go another episode of. Okay, he's getting it. But anyways, that is all for this video. If you like, subscribe, favorite, share. This channel will grow more than ever. And champion Savon.